Hey, Ugly Tourist here, and I'm giving you this teaser video because you're brand new to the station, this channel, if you will. I'm going to try to make this thing as fun as possible for me and for you. So far, I've had a blast. It's 2 weeks. I've decided to move here. I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks that I don't know, and I'm going to tell you all the pitfalls I have encountered, which are already a bunch. So I'll tell you all those. Just sit back and enjoy this little teaser video and then come back and subscribe. That's the plan. Do it. There's it comes out there. Oh my God, I'm gonna be a millionaire.
I could not ask you, you were giggling and throwing feet.
So you're on now.
Yeah, camera.
Not well.
How are you?
Hello.
Kumusta?
Kumusta?
So we will do shots later, but please. Tourist on a boat somewhere in some ocean. Cheers!
Cheers! Salaman. Oh. Please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because you'll forget where this is. I'm the Ugly Tourist. Stay ugly, my friends.